Hello everybody, welcome to our first lesson called Heal Your Vision. This lesson is about healing your starting point. It's about healing your personal language history. It's about changing the picture in your head about what does it take to master a language. First of all, we need to understand what's happening in our heads when we start thinking about learning a language. In fact, we start playing our personal language history. Personal language history is something that we have built during our years, and it contains some successes in learning language, some frustrations, some bad situations when we were feeling really bad about using my language, methods that worked, methods that didn't work, our frustrations, our unpleasant feelings, our apparently frustration moments. All these aspects have had deeply formative effect on us during the years and without us even realizing it. So now when we start thinking about learning a language, we are watching the process through the lenses of our personal language history. And very often we are looking through distorted lenses. And our inner interview can be something like this. Okay, if I decide to learn a language, it will be a boring work. It will be a hard, long work. It will take a lot of time, maybe money and a lot of energy. I will never get out of being eternal beginner. And very often, majority of people come to really simple conclusion. I have no talent. And they don't even start with learning. But this statement that we keep repeating to ourselves, it's not a reflection of our real abilities. It's the result of our personal language history in our head. I can give you living proof. A little child has no personal language history, and therefore every child is perfectly able to learn and is successful in learning a language. I acquired 3 languages, mostly as a self-taught person. I lived in a lot of different countries, France, Spain, Italy, California, and I've seen a lot of people how they struggle with learning a language. And during all those years, I was literally looking for what the secret of successful learning is. I found that the real success in learning depends on tiny shift in our brain. And no app, no textbook, no teacher will be able to help you until you make this tiny shift in your brain. And in my workshop called How to Finally Learn Any Foreign Language, I teach you step by step on how to set your lenses and your mind to be able to finally learn successfully.